NZ is the Internet Country Code top-level domain for New Zealand. It is administered by InternetNZ through its subsidiary, NZ Registry Services, with oversight and dispute resolution handled by the Domain Name Commission Ltd. Registrations are processed via authorised registrars. As of November 2015, there were 654,031 registered NZ domains. History. As with many long-standing domain registries, the registry was maintained informally for some time. The first formally recognized administrative organization was the University of Waikato until the responsibility was delegated to InternetNZ when it was formed in 1995. Prior to the current structure, the registry operator of NZ was Domains. Historically, Domains was a subsidiary of InternetNZ, which also operated as a registrar and vendor of other add-on services such as DNS. This combination of unnatural monopoly and vertical integration was seen by some as restricting competition, so InternetNZ moved to separate the provision of registry services into a separate organization with strong oversight. The final part of this transition process was the sale of domains to Melbourne.It in August 2003. For the 1st of April 2008, the Office of the Domain Name Commissioner became the Domain Name Commission Ltd., a subsidiary company of InternetNZ. Second-level domains. As is the case with most other English-speaking countries apart from the USA, Canada and Republic of Ireland, there are a number of second-level domains that identify whether the user is a company, a non-commercial organization, government body or other classification. In October 2013, InternetNZ decided to allow domain names to be registered at the second level in the NZ domain namespace, aligning the NZ domain namespace with a majority of other top-level domains that already allow registrations directly at the second level. Unlike many other English-speaking countries, New Zealand uses government instead of gov for government bodies, hence the second-level domain government, NZ. There are also sub-level domains unique to New Zealand, such as iwi, NZ, and the broader Maori, NZ, for Maori iwi and other organizations respectively, and geek, NZ, for geeks. The following second-level domains are in use with their official descriptions. Since only some of the domains are moderated, it is possible to register outside the area intended. Unmoderated, NZ, first level NZ domain, general use, AC, NZ, tertiary educational institutions and related organizations, CO, NZ, organizations pursuing commercial aims and purposes, geek, NZ, for people who are concentrative, technically skilled and imaginative, who are generally adept with computers. Gen, NZ, individuals and other organizations not covered elsewhere. Kiwi, NZ, for people or organizations that associate with being Kiwi. Maori, NZ, Maori people, groups, and organizations. .net, NZ, organizations and service providers directly related to the NZ Internet. .org, NZ, not-for-profit organizations. School, NZ, primary, secondary and preschools and related organizations. Moderated, CRI, NZ, Crown Research Institutes. Government, NZ, national, regional and local government organizations operating with statutory powers. The Government Registrar, DNS, Government, NZ controls registration. A government portal operates at www.government, NZ, Health, NZ, Health Organizations. Iwi, NZ, traditional Maori tribes, Hapa or Tarahia groups. Available from Register, iwi, NZ. Mil, NZ, the military organization of the NZ government, the New Zealand Defence Force. Parliament, NZ, reserved for parliamentary agencies, offices of Parliament, and parliamentary political parties and their elected members. Previously used Archie. NZ, used for an Archie search engine server operated by the University of Waikato until the mid-1990s. Registry software and protocol. The NZ registry uses open-source software, which is periodically published on SourceForge. The protocol used by this software has non-repudiation built into it using PGP, and unlike COM, there is no concept of locking domains. Transferring a domain requires only knowledge of a secret called a UDAI key, which business rules dictate is sent to registrants during registration. This prevents domain hijacking. The protocol was contemporary with EPP, and due to these extra design features is now being ratified as an Internet RFC. Maori domain names. On the 22nd of July 2010, the Domain Name Commission announced that NZ domain names with Macron vowels would be available from the following week to allow Maori language words to be correctly represented in domain names.